Hey everyone, in this video I will show you step by step how to uninstall FL Studio from your Windows computer. It is super simple to do. First open up your Windows computer as you normally do. Then go down to the start menu and search for remove program. From the best match, click on add or remove program and hit enter. Now in the search bar at the top, type FL Studio. You should see the two options shows up. For example, FL Studio SEU, FL Studio, your version number. Click on the three dots next to each one and choose uninstall. A new window will pop up. From here, click next if you want. You can also remove your settings. Then click next again and hit uninstall and you will see files start to remove. The process can take anywhere from few seconds to a few minutes, depending on how fast your computer is. Once it is finished, just click Finish. If there is a second FL Studio version showing up, repeat the same process, click Yes and Next, and then uninstall. That's it. FL Studio will completely uninstall from your computer. Thank you.